Think algebra is just for math class? Think again. You're using it every day without even realizing it. Let's break down the top 5 ways algebra sneaks into your everyday life. Let's say you earn $2,500 a month. Your rent is $1,200, groceries are $400, and you want to save 10%. You're solving this. 2,500 minus 1,200 plus 400, x 10% equals savings. That's algebra in action. Whether you're making a budget or figuring out how much you can spend on sneakers, you're doing math. Making dinner for more people than the recipe calls for? Algebra saves the day. If 2 eggs serve 4, how many do you need for 6? Set it up. 2 quarters equals x6, and solve for x. Boom. You just did some real-life proportions. Spot a 30% off sale? The algebra equation is price minus price x 0.30 equals final price. If those $80 jeans are 30% off, you quickly figure out 80 minus 80x 0.30 equals $56. Algebra equals saving money. Need to be somewhere in 20 minutes and you're 5 miles away? Use distance equals rate x time, or time equals distance, speed. If traffic's bad, you plug in your new speed and adjust. Real-life algebra helps you beat the clock. Building a shelf or rearranging furniture, trying to fit things in limited space requires algebra. Say you're dividing wall space evenly or cutting boards at specific lengths, you're solving equations like 2x plus 3 equals 15, without even knowing it. So next time you think you'll never use algebra, remember, it's helping you cook better, save money, plan your day, and even decorate your home. Drop a comment if you've used algebra today and didn't even know it. Like and subscribe for more math that matters.